Pursuing excellence, advancing technological change, inspiring innovation, and supporting industry development. Shenzhen HEISTON-Optoelectronic Co. Ltd. supports the smart industry with its strength. HEISTON Optoelectronics began a new journey of business development in 2018 by expanding the production of full range of mobile phone screens. The anisotropic conductive adhesive film is attached to the glass IC bonding area thoria temperature, pressure, and time in the front section of the 1000 level dust-free workshop after the material is wiped parallel with alcohol on the IDO terminal through dust-free rolling cloths and surface treatment in finished thoria plasma. At the same time, the IC is pre-bonded to the glass terminal thoria the visual alignment system. ACF is then attached to the glass FPT bonding area after COG has been bonded using modified temperature, pressure, and time parameters, and the material has been inspected by a mirror. The FPT is pre-bonded to the glass using the automatic feeding system before undergoing main bonding and solidification. To connect the CF surface with the TFT silver paste is then applied to the glass silver paste area. The FPC binding position and the glass back angle are then coated with UV and paired by purple light to prevent the FPC from being scratched by the glass edge after bending. Blue glue is applied concurrently to shield the ITO from corrosion. The product is now in semi-finished state rather than a material state. After FOG spraying, qualified products are chosen to continue production in the mid-section workshop after PASEN electrical testing and semi-finished product OQC inspection. A thorough product quality compliance in all areas is ensured by strict process quality control. Materials for TP and FOG are further inspected in the mid-section workshop to make sure that only qualified semi-finished products move on to the next production process. The inspected TP covers are placed in a cleaning machine and simultaneously wiped with dust-free rolls, alcohol, and petroleum, either to lessen floating dust. Then, using an OCA attachment machine, the TP covers are calibrated and attached OCA without deviation. Following inspection, the FOG is peeled off and cleaned. Next, the TP and FOG are aligned and bonded using a visual alignment system. To avoid bonding deviation damage, FPC breakage, and TP scratches, the bonded products are then placed on a blacklight source with fixed brightness for inspection. The material then moves into the assembly process after being bonded. Place the bonded product in the electrostatic tray within the set time, 4 pieces per tray for both 6.1 products and 6.5 products. Then, put them into the high-pressure debubbling furnace for high-pressure debubbling. The film is laminated following a second thorough inspection and solidification. Following the completion of the affirmated processes, the product with TP is aligned with BL using visual alignment system, and then bonding portion between BL and FOG is welded. The semi-finished product is now transferred to the rear section with 10,000 level dust-free workshop for the next production process after being retested by electric measurement and OQC inspection. The assembly is first put through a preliminary quality inspection in the rear workshop by tearing off the TP and removing the yellow glue. The initial positioning of the TP FOG is followed by the sequential processes of attaching by earpiece net, welding the pad glue, and attaching the pad glue. The plasma modulation power is set to 3rd gear while the conveyor belt speed is set to 20. Start plasmas 1 and 2, put the bracket on the conveyor belt and pass it through the plasma to clear impurities on the surface of the bracket and improve the adhesion of the bracket glue. In order to ensure that the glue line is centered on the bracket dispenser platform, it currently places the bracket that has passed through the plasma into the corresponding modeling phase, and then lay the bracket flat on the glue dispenser. Then place the fixture with the bracket and then glued bracket flat on the desktop. Take out the assembly, set it in the bracket slot, generally 13 fixtures per group, and placing them on the press platform for 43 minutes to complete the assembly and bracket pressing. Use a craft knife or resin block to scrape away extra glue while pressing the bracket in the glass 10,000 clean room. Then peel off the protecting film once more to inspect the TPFOG appearance and placement. Apply the final film after install the iron sheet screw. Use a text fixture to illuminate the product after the above production process are completed. And qualified products are then laser tagged, packed and boxed. After completion, perform an OQC inspection of the final product to ensure product quality. The finished product leaves the rear workshop after passing the inspection and transferred to the warehouse for QA inspection before shipped. Customers have constantly praised the entire quality control process and rigorous production process used by HEISTON Optoelectronics technology for its full range of mobile phone screens, which includes over 40 production procedures. HEISTON Optoelectronics technology advances with a resounding piece of rapid development thanks to its willingness to innovate and strive, as well as its focus on quality and lean production. Looking towards the future, HEISTON Optoelectronics technology is bravely advancing into the future with the wind under its back and traveling far and wide.
HEISTON, curious, explore future.